Hey, hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, I will introduce a home automation PCB which I have designed mainly for beginners. When I was a beginner, I faced a lot of problem while making any home automation project. Sometimes wiring got wrong, sometimes just wrong connection, and like that. When we want to make any home automation system, we will use a microcontroller, generally Arduino boards and a relay module. We use jumper wires to connect them, and this way a simple home automation system will become bulky with messy and loose wiring. I have designed this home automation PCB which will easily attach with your Arduino board. That's it, your home automation system is ready. No need of any relay module or any messy and loose wiring. Just attach this PCB on the Arduino Uno board and your home automation system is ready to use. This PCB has inbuilt universal IR receiver sensor, so we could easily control our home appliances through any IR remote. And this PCB also has a slot for Bluetooth module, so we can also control home appliances through Bluetooth using a smartphone. Just like this. By using this PCB shield, we can make small and reliable home automation system, and overall system will become so small and compact that this whole system could fit inside your electrical switchboard, so we don't need any extra space to install this home automation system. Repository of these PCBs, that is code, schematic, everything is uploaded on my GitHub page, and the link is available in the description. Apart from all these things, I have good news for you. I decided to make giveaway of these PCBs, and the rules of giveaway which I will let you know in the end of the video. So watch the video till end. Now let's get into this video. This is the schematic of PCB. If you want your own custom designed PCB, then you can download this schematic from the link given in the video description. After making the schematic, convert it into PCB. Arrange and place all the components in desirable places. Once the layout is ready, route the wiring and complete the design of PCB. After the completion of PCB design, you need to download 3 files, which will required during PCB order. These files are BOM, Gerber and CPL, that is pick and place file. Now open JLC PCB website and click on Code Now button under PCB assembly. Click here to upload the Gerber file of your PCB. Here JLC PCB will automatically set all the parameters of PCB. Now select the PCB quantity and color masking of PCB by yourself. Scroll down below and select for PCB assembly. Here you have to select on which surface you want to be PCB assembly, either on the top side or bottom side. In my case, it is top side. After that, click on confirm button. For PCB assembly, we need 2 more files. One is BOM, that is bill of material, and the second one is CPL, that is pick and place file. Upload these 2 files one by one. Here you need to give the description about your PCB, for which purpose you want to make this PCB. I am giving here Arduino home automation shield. All the components were shown here that are to be assembled. In case if you want to not assemble any particular component, then you can deselect that component. After checking all the components, click on next button. Here you will see all the components that has to be assembled by JLC PCB along with pricing. Now click on save to cart to complete your order. After 7 days, PCBs arrived at my place in a very good packaging. Packaging quality of JLC PCB is pretty good. Damaging of PCB during shipping is almost impossible. As usual, the quality of PCB is very premium and look pretty professional. Traces are perfect, solder mask is too good, and the assembly components are soldered very well. Overall PCB along with assembly is great and it is pretty affordable. This is the code for today's project. Although this code is pretty simple, still let me explain little bit about this code. First of all, you need to add this IR remote library in your Arduino IDE. And here we have checking if any serial data is available from Bluetooth or not. If available, then according to string data received, we are turning on and off the relays. After that, we again turning on and off the relay according to the value received from the IR receiver from the remote. This hexadecimal value of different IR remote will be different. This is the code for decoding the IR remote values. You can download this code from the link given in the video description. And also I have dedicated video on my channel how to decode IR remote. Check out that video, link is available in the description as well as in the card section. Now upload the code after selecting write board and COM port. This is the schematic diagram which is very simple. Make the connections of bulb as per this schematic. Now everything is done, let's see project in action. As you can see, I am able to control the devices from IR remote along with Android smartphone application. A PK file of this app is available in the description. Just download and install in your phone. By using this home automation Arduino Uno Shield, we can make very useful and reliable home automation system. This is the easiest way of making home automation system. And then the last thing regarding giveaway. To win this PCB in the giveaway, you need to do few things, which are very simple. First of all, you must have subscriber of my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now, it is free. And the next thing is to like this video and comment something, and the last thing is to follow my Instagram page whose link is available in the description. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.